So, let's talk about alcohol cravings. Not from a place of shame or willpower or white-knuckling your way through another day, but from a place of real curiosity. Because if you've ever found yourself thinking, why do I keep doing this when I promised I wouldn't? You're not alone, and more importantly, you're not broken. That's the core message of this book I just finished reading called ReThink Sober by Daniel Stouffer, and honestly, it flipped the whole conversation around sobriety on its head for me. This book doesn't try to scare you straight or hand you a list of rigid rules. Instead, it walks you through how your brain, through no fault of your own, got wired to crave alcohol. And more importantly, how you can rewire it. There's this one idea that really stuck with me. Cravings aren't your enemy. They're a misfired survival signal. Like, wow, that one line changed the way I think about every urge I've ever tried to resist. Daniel uses neuroplasticity, the science of how our brains adapt and change, to help you understand why drinking can feel so automatic, and how to make it feel irrelevant. It's super compassionate, trauma-informed, and it's written for people like us, people who've tried to cut back or quit, but just couldn't figure out why it wasn't sticking. And instead of blaming you, this book gives you tools, like real, practical, brain-based strategies to interrupt the craving loop and finally feel some peace around alcohol. So if you're in that space where you're questioning your relationship with drinking, not because you hit rock bottom, but because you want something better, ReThink Sober is a game changer. It's not about fighting anymore. It's about understanding, rewiring, reclaiming your clarity, your calm, and your confidence. I highly recommend grabbing a copy. It just might be the conversation your brain's been waiting to have.